In this tutorial, we will measure the length, width, and area of myotubes. To begin, open the image of interest using ImageJ Software. If needed, the brightness and contrast of the image can be adjusted at this point. Once the image adjustment is completed, set the parameters by clicking on Analyze and Set Measurements. Check on the area and the required parameters that are required to analyze the measurement. Check on the Add to Overlay and Display Label, and then click OK. Now let us set the scale bar. In this image, the scale bar is shown as 100 micrometer. Click on the line tool from above and draw a straight line parallel to it. To set the measurement, click on Analyze, Set Scale. The distance in pixels can be kept as it is. The known distance is 100. Pixel aspect ratio can be kept in its default state. Change the unit of length to micrometer. Check on the global option to measure multiple images and then click OK. Now let us measure the length of the myotube. Click on the line tool from above and draw a straight line parallel to the myotube length to be determined. To obtain the length of the myotube, click on Analyze and Measure. At this point, we are interested in the length of the myotube, which is 218.33 micrometer. Similarly, straight lines can be drawn parallel to the myotubes to determine the length. One can also copy the length of the myotubes into an Excel file. Now let us measure the width of the myotubes. First, open the image in the ImageJ software. The Disable Global Calibration option can be kept unchecked. This will prevent from setting the scale bar once again. Now select the line tool from above and draw a line to measure the width of the myotube. Click on Analyze and select Measure. The result displays the width of the myotube to be 16.12 micrometer. Similarly, the width of the other myotubes can be measured in this way. One can measure multiple points within the same myotube to get an average width measurement. Again, the results can be exported into an Excel file for plotting a graph. Now, let us measure the area of the myotubes. Open the image of interest and uncheck the Disable Global Calibration option. Select the freehand selection tool from above and draw a perfect outline of the myotube as much as you can. Once completed, click on Analyze and select Measure. The area for the selected myotube is 3235.15 micrometer square. Similarly, the area of the other myotubes can be measured in this way. It is important to use the freehand selection tool to outline the myotube to get an accurate result. Once all the myotube areas are measured, the results can be exported into an Excel file. Checking on the Add to Overlay is critical to track the measured myotubes. Otherwise, after measuring one of the myotube areas, the marked label may disappear. One can also save the measured image. Click on File, Save As, and JPEG. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more such videos by subscribing to this channel.